They're speaking. He's actually having a conversation. Oh my goodness. I love spots like this. Hiking through forest areas, high trees, lots of greenery. It really does it for me. This is something I once never got excited about. I just didn't know how much of a good, fulfilling time you can have in nature. Fuck the party. This is where I want to be. Somewhere perched on a blanket, meditating. Man, surrounded by my peeps. What a breath of fresh air. Literally. Hey, take the time to look around sometime and remember that you have all that you need. You may not have what you want, but you have all that you need. Alhamdulillah.